What's up, Migos? In today's video, we are going to be showcasing the top outfits I wear over summer, and like I said in the last video, the shoes that I wear with them. The ones I showcased last week's video, we blew it out of the water with the views. Thank you so much for, I think we're sitting at 87 views now. Never knew that video would actually blow up like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe before we get started to the video, and let's get started. Outfit number one, I'm gonna put it a picture because for some reason it's a rainy day and you really can't just see it or anything. But for outfit number one, we got what I'm wearing for this video, which is a white tank top, brown shorts, cotton, and the white Vans, and that's literally it. That's the whole outfit. This will usually be my daily for being at home, or if I gotta run quick to the store, that's what I'll put on. So this is definitely not something I wear on a first date or anywhere that I need to go where there's gonna be a lot of people. This would be more like if it's a hot day. Outfit number two, it's this one right here that I'm showcasing on the picture. So pretty much I'm wearing a white office shirt. You know, I think the brand's Calvin Klein. Some brown suede looking pants, and I think these are, I don't even know, to be honest. Black standard belt, silver watch, and the white Vans. As like I said, the white Vans are literally just universal for any type of style. It's like an office casual. You know, I'll usually wear this if I'm trying to impress a certain someone, or if I'm going to a business trip or something like that. All right, third outfit is probably the third and fourth outfits are probably the most universal outfits I wear summer, winter, fall, spring, and it's the white tee with blue jeans and white Vans. And the surprising thing about all these outfits, for the most part, I want to say like 75%, all of them I've really bought them from Walmart. Like these jeans that you guys see in the picture are from Walmart. This shirt is a Walmart white shirt. Same thing with the tank top, Walmart George Hanes shirts. And for the most part, this shirt has held its own really well. I think I bought this like 2 years ago. Obviously the white shoes, wearing with the white shoes, which are the Vans, and probably the best investment I've ever done in my life are the Vans. And it's a solid outfit to go anywhere. Just it's a casual, fun outfit, you know. All right, fourth outfit is this one. Pretty much what happened was I changed to a black shirt and black Air Forces. White Vans are now gone, and that's pretty much it, honestly. The only difference is this is a Hollister shirt. Thanks to my sister buying me for Christmas a variety pack of Hollister shirts, I've been able to change a whole bunch of shirts and wear pretty much the same pants and just same shoes or different shoes. But yeah, she bought me a variety pack of Hollister shirts, which came with a whole bunch of different colored shirts. And the ones I usually wear the most are the black and white shirts. Couldn't find my white Hollister, so that's why I put on that Walmart white shirt. But definitely, pro tip, go get yourself a variety pack of shirts, basic colors, and you can pretty much style them with any type of jeans. Like I said, these are like dark denim washed, and I'm just pairing them up with black Air Forces. And if I feel the need to wear a hat, I put on a black hat with a black shirt, and boopity boppity, it's pretty clean. And the final outfit is this one. The fifth outfit of the video is this one. So pretty much what I'm wearing is a red Hollister long sleeve. I actually like the minimalistic logo and then the little side logo over here. I feel like there's a little too much, but hey, it's whatever. Wearing black jeans and the New Balances 574s. And I like this one. I won't wear this too much unless I'm going indoors, because here in Florida it tends to get pretty hot. And obviously, I mean, you can't really roll this one up. To me, it just looks weird. But yeah, this is definitely the fifth outfit that I wear. If anything, I would probably exchange this for a red shirt, a red short sleeve. But sadly, I don't have one. I did have one, but I had to throw it out because it was just getting too old. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, for the video. Really means a lot, like I said, that I got 87 something views on the shoe video. Hopefully we can continue growing, and if not, well, it is what it is. But yeah, Migos, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week's video.
Also, it's raining, so sorry for the bad lighting conditions. I don't really have an actual lighting thing. I'm using a lamp, and usually uses sunlight, and it usually is pretty good. But for some reason, it's raining outside. So yeah. But like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.